Imagine you have a number of IDs in this bucket. There are a number of colored balls here, right? And then I pick a ball. It was a yellow ball. And I have a look on this ID, the yellow ID, and I put it back. I like the ID. I share the ID. And I comment upon the ID. Then I try to figure out, or I try to find a new ID once again. Oh, a yellow one. Oh, okay. Good. That was a really cool ID. I like it. I share it. And I comment upon it. And eventually you will fill this urn up with only one color. This is called Polya's urn. And this is explaining, this experiment is explaining why it is so hard to innovate. Because innovation starts with ideas, a lot of ideas. The first thing is, what happened here when I did this? Well, the thing is that I do what everybody else is doing. And I share that with everybody else. And this is typically how it works with, top lists, trend reports. And this is a problem. Because the best ideas might very well be maybe the red one. But I don't find it. Because everybody is talking about the yellow balls, right? So the question is, how come? And why do we spend a lot of money on hiring consultants, buying really expensive trend reports? And why do we do polls? Why do we even use social media at all? Asking people for their opinion? It will just end up with one color of balls. And even if the yellow balls was the best one, even if that is true, how long would that last? How long will you have a competitive position when everybody else is doing the yellow balls, right? And this is essential when it comes to ideation. You need to be able to find the other balls and making up mechanism in your company for that or in your organization. And this calls for another kind of leadership. It calls for leadership where you allow people to fail, where you allow people to try, where you actually celebrate failure. You should do a lot of failure, but fail fast and celebrate and go ahead, find the next one, and eventually you will end up maybe with the little red one here, and that might be the next X curve.